Like my wardrobe? We're going to be using super glue as a finish, so it splatters a little bit sometimes. So this is the thin stuff, right? So we're going to turn the lathe on, and you see our ring looks really nice there. It's all shined up. Just put a few drops on here, come up, and it's real quick. Swipe, swipe, and we're done, right? So you can take your accelerator and go like that, and then give it a couple seconds here. I'm just going to go to a new piece of paper, put another couple drops on it, like so. Come up here, swipe, swipe, and I'm going to do this about 10, don't do the camera. I'm going to do this about 10 more times because I want to build up that surface to make it really thick so I have a lot of protection for that ring. I'm lightly sanding with some 400 grit sandpaper here to get the super glue off the steel, and also just to take some of the ripples out. And then I'm going to switch to micro mesh, the diamond back sandpaper I have, bring the speed way down. I'm going to work my way through probably about 3600 grit on this. Now for the cool part, we're going to polish things up. I'm using Hut Ultra Gloss. It's for plastics and such, and so I would say super glue's kind of in that neighborhood. Gonna turn this on. Hopefully I don't splash Brian. Gonna bring the speed up here, and we're gonna just touch it to it gently. And then once it gets in there, we're gonna buff it and rub it a bit, and you can see things start to shine up instantly. Look at that. So we're just gonna rub it and get the black off now. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this. This is how you make a maple burl cap ring. Isn't that awesome looking? Look at the shine. That thing is incredible. Well, it's a really simple project to make. Just have to be a little bit delicate and a little bit careful about how you put it together. Also, you can buff the inside out if you want to shine up the inside, just to get yourself a Dremel with a little buffing wheel. But anyway, that thing right there, that pops.